In this video, we're going to show you how to conduct a credentialed scan in Tenable, one of the most powerful vulnerability management tools out there. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share a crucial tip to maximize the effectiveness of your scan and even give you access to an exclusive, extended free trial of Tenable. Let's dive right in. First thing, a credentialed scan in Tenable is essential for getting a deeper look at vulnerabilities inside your network. By providing credentials, you give Tenable the ability to perform a more thorough scan of your systems, looking for issues that can't be detected with just a non-credentialed scan. This is key for detecting hidden vulnerabilities, especially in systems behind firewalls or those with restricted access. Next thing, to start, you'll need to log into your Tenable account. From there, navigate to your scans dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, click on New Scan and select Credentialed Scan from the available options. This allows you to scan systems more effectively, focusing on deeper system-level vulnerabilities that would otherwise be missed. Now, the third thing, you'll need to input your scan settings. This is where you specify the credentials Tenable should use. You can input credentials for Windows, Linux, or other systems depending on your environment. Make sure the credentials have the necessary permissions to run a comprehensive scan. This typically means administrative access. Once your credentials are in place, you're good to go. Next thing, after configuring your scan settings, it's time to fine-tune your scan. In Tenable, you can set things like scan duration, intensity, and what specific vulnerabilities to focus on. Adjust these settings according to your environment's needs, whether you want a quick scan or a detailed deep dive. Don't forget to name your scan, so it's easy to find later. The fifth thing, now you'll want to launch your scan. After you've set everything up, click on the Launch button. Tenable will then begin its credentialed scan and start identifying vulnerabilities based on the credentials provided. Depending on your network size, this process can take a while, so don't worry if it doesn't finish right away. Once your scan is done, you'll get a comprehensive report. This report will include all the vulnerabilities Tenable has identified within your systems, sorted by severity. It's crucial to go through this report carefully, address the high-priority issues, and make sure your systems stay secure. Now, here's the pro tip I promised earlier. While Tenable's credentialed scan is powerful, you can significantly improve scan performance and accuracy by ensuring your system's credentials are up to date and properly configured. This will allow Tenable to access even the most restricted areas of your network and provide a more complete vulnerability assessment. Finally, if you're wondering how to get started with Tenable, you can actually use the software completely free from the first link below. And don't forget, if you sign up through that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses and access to an extended free trial, giving you a chance to test out Tenable's full capabilities risk-free. Remember, a credentialed scan is a crucial part of your security toolkit, and with Tenable, you can make sure your systems stay protected against the latest vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.